This is the week 11 Tic Tac Toe homework assignment. We have to use an HTML element of our choice to build a grid that the X and O's can be put in to play the game. There needs to be a heading saying which player it is, and it changes each time somebody plays, and also a button to clear the grid and an alert to show whether there's a tie or a winner. I have really clunky if logic in, and after my mentor meeting, we decided that it should have more like grid logic and it'll be cleaner and easier to understand, but I don't know that yet. So I'm going to try to go back to that in the future. And also I want to have images here of these two fish. These are mine and my daughter's fish, and they're going to battle it out in Tic Tac Toe, but I couldn't figure out how to get the images on. I'm getting there though. My index file I have in my body. Here's the background image of this divided beta tank, and I have like Tic Tac Toe title and a grid that shows the two players and also holds the alert, which is here. Then I have the grid container, which is this. And lastly, I have the container that holds the restart button. I have all my styling in the CSS styles file. And my app.js, I set the initial values for player 1, player 2, whether they're X or O, set the winner to false, initiate the player to be player 1. And then this is where I set the logic that shows who's playing and what their value is in their name. This is my event logic. I originally had this stuff elsewhere, but it was showing who won and then updating the grid with the value they placed last after they show they won. So I probably shouldn't be in here, but it seems to be working better in here. Again, it's kind of clunky. Each time somebody clicks on a button, it will update all of these variables that hold each cell. It passes it into the play game function, which is here, again, clunky. But if this cell they clicked or any of these cells are not blank and there's a row of them or a diagonal row, then that means there's a winner. It says which the winner's assigned to the cell that they all have the same value in. This is the diagonal. These are the rows and the columns. And then if no winner, then we set it to a tie. That's with everything being full and nothing else was true. This is the clear button that will erase all the values inside the game. So here's the game. We have player 1, player 2, player 1, player 2, player 1, and this is the alert that shows they win. Start over button. Then we have shoot, I had to get the O's twin. This player 2 wins, and then you can't click on anything else when somebody wins, and also like I can't re-click on these and have them change. It has to be blank, and there can't be a winner. So then for a tie, we have a tie. And then you can't click on any of these. And that's it. I don't know how to make this whole thing a little smaller. That's another thing I want to do.